If you are a Musk fan, then you probably heard about Giga Berlin before. Giga Berlin is an electric vehicle manufacturing facility that Musk has opened in Germany. Tesla's new Gigafactory in Germany proves they aren't when Elon Musk himself gives a tour, as this spectacular aerial video of Tesla's new facility proves. And this video revealed something that was unexpected. So, what is it? Apparently, as Musk announced earlier this year that he would launch the Tesla Model Y this year, which is made in this factory. This video, however, has revealed that he is also making the new Tesla Model 3 in this factory. So, you want to know about this facelifted Model 3? Then watch this video till the very end. Hello everyone. Welcome to Tesla News Explained. Hit the subscribe button to get every news about Tesla. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload the new video. So with that being said, let's hop into the video. We have seen drone footage of car production before. However, as you might expect from anything that is associated with Tesla, this film is on another level of incredible. This video from DJI's Instagram page shows the newly opened manufacturing plant of Tesla, located in Berlin-Brandenburg, Germany. When we say it takes you through the production process, we mean it literally takes you through it. In other words, as the drone flies through the actual machinery, which produces the body panels for the Model 3 and the Model Y, the drone narrowly avoids getting crushed like a bug under the pressure of the hammer. You fly around the cars themselves, dodging the sparks of welding machines on the panels, and later, when they are all painted, you fly around the cars again, as the drone's propellers whip close to the car's pristine bodywork, and try not to wince whenever the drone's propellers whir. It's pretty obvious that there have been some clever editing techniques employed to join clips together in such a way that it gives the impression as if the drone never stops moving. There is no doubt that whoever has flown the drone, which from the credits on Chinese drone master DJI's Instagram post appears to be an FPV device, deserves full credit. Furthermore, it is worth mentioning that Tesla should also be credited for letting the DJI guys fly over a few places that would normally give a regular car factory head a heart attack. But aside from drone footage and everything else, what about the Tesla Model 3 2022? Well, talking about the Model 3 2022, it is expected that the 12-volt, lead-acid, low-voltage battery will be replaced by a lithium-ion unit, which is easier to replace and lighter than a 12-volt, but cost more due to obvious reasons. Due to this reason, auxiliary trailer electrical connections have been disabled on tow hitch-equipped vehicles until a power converter is available mid-year and can be retrofitted into these vehicles. According to the information provided, this will not affect the trailer lights or brakes at all. And one of the most notable changes in the interior is the heating of the wipers from the inside. This makes defrosting easier in extremely cold weather such as those associated with the north of the United States, Canada, Northern Europe, and China. Activation can be requested via the mobile app or from inside the vehicle. Similarly, the dashboard will have one less speaker installed as the one on the dashboard panel has been eliminated. So instead of having 14 speakers and a subwoofer, there will be just one. Tesla claims that by doing this, redundancy and complexity are eliminated in the production process, and sound quality is not affected in the least. Moreover, it is expected that the new configuration will be more flexible regarding the possibility of upgrading the sound equipment through the use of OTA upgrades, as Tesla usually does for these kinds of updates and upgrades. Since Tesla's inception, Giga Shanghai has given it the best results. The plant managed to increase even more the production of cars in 2021, exceeding the initial capacity for this plant. Currently, the factory produces 650,000 vehicles per year, which equates to one car every 44 seconds. And it's hoped that Giga Shanghai's huge production numbers can be replicated at Grünheide, Berlin, which is said to be ready in the next few weeks to start manufacturing at full capacity, putting one car out every 4 to 5 seconds. This plant will make the Model Y and Model 3, mainly for the European market, meaning we could send more than 600,000 of these cars to Europe every year. And by the end of the first semester of 2022, we'll be moving to the new features and updates. Once again, cars with the right hardware will have everything activated through OTA updates. With even more reasons to keep enticing new electric car drivers, Tesla stars, Model 3 and Model Y will have even more reasons to win them over. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we come up with a new video. Peace out.